What's up, Gene here? Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tour of my Airbnb, my first Airbnb listing. If you don't know me, my name is Gene Dagobert, and I'm a real estate investor. I was able to get my first property last year. December makes it 1 year. So this property, I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of what I have in my Airbnb. Let's go. First off, I got this different inspirational quotes on there on my wall. I like to, when you book this unit, I like to bring motivation to you, just to make sure that you get going. On here, I have basically my success wall. This is like a famous frame where it talks about your successes. A lot of people don't see your success, the risks, your failures, your doubts. They only see just the tip of the iceberg, right? They don't see when you're going through things. They don't see when you're crying at night. They don't see when you're stressing. They only see just this part. So I like to put these posters around just to give motivation to my customers that stand in this unit. I'm gunning for that super host. This unit is not real big, so it's really cozy, and it's just like minimal. Everything is placed at the right spot that it's supposed to be placed. For instance, I have this convenience here as far as like the controller for you can control the mini split. So as soon as you come in, if it's too cold, if it's too hot, you can just change it right away. And over here, I have my board over here. This board, I like to use it for the customers how I use it, if they envision on using it like that. For me, I used to put my goals over here, my debts, my income, like the things that I need to do, video ideas. So basically you can just brainstorm and put everything on this board, and it's right there. You can't say, oh, I forgot, or I didn't know. You can't say that because it's right there. You can't say, I don't know how much I owe in debt. It's like to pay your debts off, because it's right there. You get to see it. And over here, I have the Wi-Fi password. Don't show that. I ain't trying to give y'all my Wi-Fi password. And another convenience was like this couch is fit perfectly with this unit, just in case if I have a customer that, say if it's they got 2 or more people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, you know, you can just lay here. One person can lay right here, one person can lay right there. Like it's just, you know, you can just put your head together. It's like big enough. So right here, I had to replace the wall unit. The wall unit was messed up, so I replaced the wall unit and put the mini split in there. This was like $1,600, but it was a good, well money spent, because it was an investment, and it adds to this apartment. Before, the wall unit I had in there, it made a lot of noise. Like every time it come on, it looks like it was just fighting to be here. So I like the mini split. It really adds some flair to this apartment. Right here again, I have more quotes, just in case you didn't see that first one. You can't miss it. It's right there. Success, basically what you have to go to for success, and the 7 rules of life. This used to be like my background for my YouTube video before I moved from this unit and I went to my other unit. And I have a TV here, just in case, you know, your guests want to watch TV, you want to watch TV, you can just sit right here, watch TV, open the blinds, and let the natural sunlight come in and just watch some TV. Now right here, this also would add a lot of value if you're doing an Airbnb and you have a unit that's not that big, a unit just like mine. This is an additional bed. Say if you have more guests that want to spend the night, you went out to eat, you know, your birthday, or you went out clubbing, or whatever that you're staying here for, you wanted to bring additional people, they have an additional bed, and they don't have to share your bed with you. They can just lay this down. And I also have the sheets for it, you know, so you ain't gonna be cold, you know. I have the sheets. You can just set it up in your little broom, just in case you messy a little bit. You can clean, you know. I do have my clean lady for the Airbnb, but they come after, so you can do it by yourself. And also my goal for this Airbnb is, right now it's being listed as $94. my goal is to try to reach between that 125, 175, because that once it gets to that point, which is going to be, because I'm gunning for that super hole spot, which is going to be, is gonna add bring more income. And this area is just booming right now. A lot of people have been booking it. It's booked all the way through April, so that's a good thing. It's not that far from the airport. It's like 10 minutes away from the airport, Fort Lauderdale Airport, and it's like 10 minutes from downtown Fort Lauderdale. So it's a good area. Now let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen, I spent a lot of money in this kitchen. The kitchen, I probably spent like $3,500, but it was well worth it. Before I had like a Formica or laminated countertop, I replaced it. You hear that? That's granite. That's granite. So I replaced it with granite, and it really adds value to the kitchen. I'm gonna put up before and after pictures so you can see how the kitchen looked before. And my handyman, the one that installed this backsplash for me, it wasn't the same people that installed it. He did a great job, and everything is placed perfectly. You know, I don't like things to be cluttered, and I don't think like the customers would love stuff to be cluttered also. So everything is matched perfectly here in the kitchen. And I love this sink, this farm sink. If you come take a look, this farm sink, it really adds value. This is like an upscale kitchen. So the countertop, I didn't really replace them because they look brand new. Just got to get a little touch up. Back here again, I have more motivational quotes. Just in case they wake up, they walk this way. It says, "Don't quit your daydream." You feel me? It says, "Don't quit your daydream." So, and it just gives people like a sense of, all right, I'm gonna stay here some more because it just adds value. And another thing also, one thing I had to listen to the people that were staying here, as far as like the customers, the tenants. I always get a lot of questions as far as, do you have like a dining table? We know this is a small unit. There's really nowhere to put a dining table, so I purchased this, and so it's big enough, just like a dining table. It's foldable. Just when you're done with it, you can just put it away, and it would add more value. Say, you know, you want to spend Thanksgiving here, you can just open that table, eat with your family, you know, no problem. Then after you're done, just fold it up and watch your TV. Now let's go into the bedroom. The bedroom, like I said, the bedroom is really nice and cozy also. Like, nice bedroom. Furniture is just complimented. There's not too many stuff in here. You know, you don't want your bedroom to have a lot of stuff anyways, because, you know, you just want your peace when you go to bed, wake up. Just the countertops. And here I have additional towels, additional sheets, just in case the customers or wanted to switch their sheets. I have additional sheets right here. The washer and dryer, I have a Point laundry washer and dryer. It's not in this unit, it's outside. So this unit, there's no way to really put a washer and dryer, but since it's small, but that washer and dryer in the back will do the job for you. I have blow dryer for the ladies, you know, after they finish taking a shower, they want to blow dry their hair. Iron, if you want to iron your clothes. My shirt probably need to be ironed right now, but we're not going to talk about that. In here, this right here, oh, I'm going to show you guys this right here. It says, more motivational quote, you know, don't be the same, be better. That's what we're trying to strive for, to be better. And in here, this is like the breadwinner. This is the bathroom. The bathroom I had to redone. I'm also going to show you guys a picture of how the bathroom used to look and how it looks now. Go ahead and show them the bathroom. Show them the bathroom. Now the bathroom, it's not that big, but shout out to my contractor, my handyman. He did a really good job in the bathroom. He tiled up everything. He basically changed the ceiling, and he added crown molding in the bathroom. If you guys can see it, he added crown molding in there. So he made it look real nice. It looked real nice over here. And the shower head, go ahead. We had to get creative with the shower head, because after he did everything, it was like, because we wasn't going to change the pipes or anything, we found that this was kind of smaller, so it was dragging it down, so we had to get creative with it. Nonetheless, this is a nice bathroom. He really fixed it up of how it used to look before. So he did an amazing job, and this unit going forward is going to be producing a lot of income. So I'm really happy for that. I'm really proud of that. I really thank God for that. Like I said, the goal is to be pushing from 125 to 175. Did the calculation, and the long-term goal is to eventually turn more of these units to Airbnb to generate more income, so I can purchase more rental properties, because that's what is all about. So just follow me on this journey. As always, please be safe, be healthy, peace be with you.